Man, look at the queue. The queue going to the suya joint. I told you guys that this man is the ish. Look at the queue. Man, right from the other side, all going to the suya joint. I told you the whole of UK, the whole of London. So this suya joint over here is the best in London. Yeah, Abochi. Okay, see the meat and the soya pepper. Wow, amazing. The whole of UK, London. Yeah, this man, champion man. Hey, boss man, how you doing, sir?
I'm fine, thank you.
What's your name, please?
My name is George Akolbiri.
Akolbiri?
Yeah, George Alasan Akolbiri.
Okay, so I've heard that the whole London, you are the top suya man over here.
Well, I don't think so.
Sorry?
I don't think so.
I posted you last year. Everybody knows you.
Yeah, well, I believe that. Yeah. But everyone call himself number one, is it?
No, people are calling you number one.
Yeah.
People are calling you number one. So what meat is it?
That's a lamb kebab.
You only do lamb or you have chicken and turkey?
Yeah, we do guinea fowl, lamb ribs.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where are you in London? Where's your location?
I'm in Tottenham High Road, 685 Tottenham High Road, and N17, 8AD.
Okay, and how do you do you roast every Saturday or when someone is doing a wedding? I can invite you to come and cook. How do you do it?
I do it Friday, Saturday, Sundays, and I take orders. If you want, I can do it, then you come for it or I deliver it.
Okay.
But because of my state, I cannot come to your place and do it for you.
I understand. Man, you see how clean the meat is. Very fresh. Man, fresh stuff over here. Wow. Your telephone number?
My telephone number is 07710504511.
Yeah, man, so this is the best suya joint in London, UK, and man, as you just said, every Friday, Saturday, so yeah, get the address, call the number, make your order, and get yourself some amazing suya in London. I say, yeah, not for you, papa.
You know what? People that don't know the job always say, oh, I'm doing the best.
Yeah.
But I never call myself the best. You make sure you do it all right.
Yeah.
The people themselves will confess that yes, that's the best.
Exactly.
But don't call yourself I'm number one. Why you cannot do number one job?
Exactly.
You get what I mean? That's me. Yeah.
Pinam.
Nana, what you mean, so? Hey, sorry. Come and take it.
Pinam. Hey, you can who is saying? Suya.
Okay. No, now I come.